in fear. Completely unaware of what's going on around him. Why are you driving and fucking around with paperwork? Little swerve in the lane there. Alright lads. It's quite a valvy one in that truck, that pickup.